In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. No progress in Afghanistan, Pakistan talks in Turkey due to Pakistan's unreasonable demands. The Deputy Minister for Counter-Narcotics met with Scott Smith, the UNAMA political chief. And Israel has intensified its attacks on Gaza. Welcome to our today news package. It's Wednesday, the 7th of Jamadi al-Awwal 1447, the 7th of Aqrab 1404, and the 29th of October 2025. The news details. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has announced that the recent talks between Afghan and Pakistani delegation in Istanbul failed to make progress due to Pakistan's unreasonable demands. In accordance with the reports, Pakistani side asked Afghanistan to provide guarantees that no attacks would be launched against Pakistan from Afghanistan soil. However, the Islamic Emirate emphasized that Tehrik-e-Taliban of Pakistan, or TTP, issue is an internal matter of Pakistan that existed long before the establishment of the Islamic Emirate. The Afghan negotiation team reiterated that the Islamic Emirate remains committed to ensuring that Afghanistan's territory is not used against Pakistan or any other country. In turn, the Islamic Emirate urged Pakistan to prevent Daesh, the ISIS, and other groups from using its soil to conduct destructive operations against Afghanistan. Among the Emirate's additional demands were respect for Afghanistan airspace and the separation of politics from trade. Sheikh Mohammed Qasim Khalid, the Deputy Minister for the Counter-Narcotics at the Ministry of Interior, met with Scott Smith, the UNAMA's political chief, and his accompanying delegation. Based on the ministry, UNAMA's representative expressed appreciation for the noble decrees of Amir al-Mu'minin Hafizahullah, may Allah protect him, regarding the eradication of narcotics, and praised the efforts made by the Islamic Emirate in combating drug cultivation and trafficking. The Deputy Minister reaffirmed that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is firmly committed to fighting narcotics and will not permit anyone to cultivate, traffic, or trade in them. The news continuation. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, the Minister of Public Health, during his visit from the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, met with Fad Abdul Rahman Al Jalajil, the Saudi Minister of Health, in the presence of Pakistan's Health Minister. The Minister of Public Health stated that the meeting focused on preventive measures against communicable and non-communicable diseases, enhancing health sector cooperation, ensuring the quality and lawful import of medicines, coordinated efforts to eradicate polio, and charitable initiatives by the King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center to strengthen Afghanistan's health sector. Minister Jalali emphasized the significance of joint efforts to eradicate polio and reaffirmed the ministry's commitment to promoting disease prevention and improving public health through collaborative programs. And the last news. Al Jazeera Network has reported that following the blatant violation of ceasefire, the Israeli regime has launched new assaults on Gaza Strip, killing at least 18 Palestinians. The attack came after Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu ordered intense strike on Gaza. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.